Hey guys, I just want to show you a quick video what I just scored this morning at the thrift shop for 15 bucks. It's a Hoover Convertible model 1010 with the two-position height adjustment. I've been looking for one of these for a while. Well, at least I was looking for one with a two-position height adjustment, because those are pre-1968, I believe. So, this is gonna need a cleaning. It's got scuffs. I've already taken the bag off. It was packed full. So packed, it was just, I didn't even bother trying to save it. And this looks pretty original, except for the cord here. I believe this is a replacement. Actually, I'm almost 100% sure it's a replacement, because the original cord would have been this same color as the handle and bag and the bumper. But it looks like it's a decent cord, and it's longer than the original cord would have been. You can see, I could just tell by throwing it, it's already longer than the original cord. So, powered it on, it works. The belt is all stretched. It's probably been on there so long it just molded itself in that position. And the brush roll is a little noisy, so that's gonna need to be have some work done. So I got this out here in the garage. I didn't bring it in the house yet. I don't want to, because I gotta take it all apart and do the routine service to these, which is very easy to do. Plus, it smells like somebody's basement when I turn it on, so I gotta get this cleaned up before I bring it in the house and start using it. So I will plug this in and start it up for a minute or two so you can hear it. Okay, here we go. Hoover model 1010. You can hear that brush roll is very noisy. Hopefully it's not a bearing or anything like that. Hopefully it just needs to be lubricated. So anyway, that's it for that. And the next time you see this cleaner, it will have been serviced, and I will demonstrate it out on the carpet inside. Till then, have a good day, and we'll be seeing you soon. Take care.